Hello, welcome to Reading Hobby. This is my first. This I just recently bought a few random blind box, especially from my favorite character, the Sanrio characters. Got three, 1, 2, 3, and then got one the very cute one, little parrot baby music box, and this one, the gumiho fox. So let's start with this new one, Sanrio characters, which is it's got have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 design with 2 secret. Actually, I hope that I can get this Kurumi and my melody. Pomporin, not so much. This is from the miniso. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay, this also is a miniso plastic bag. Hope I can get a pomporin. Oh no! But these twinkle little stars looks very nice. It's pink colors. I like the crown on top of her head with this small feather with the star one. Okay, let me see. There's still a lot of the small. Okay, wow, look nice with a small castle here. And this is the card, little twin star. And then this is the heavy thing. Okay. So twinkle little star. So put it over here with the little castle. Next, my next Sanrio characters. This one got 8 design plus 1 secret. I hope that I can get Kuromi again and my melody. Especially my melody. It look very beautiful with the umbrella. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what we get. Oh, okay. I think I know what I get already. Mistakenly take out the. But to be confirmed, let's see. This is from the top toy. Let's see. Oh, I got the Kuromi. I got the from the main one. The on the box. The main characters. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. The head is actually quite a bit of translucent with some shining on the as the head. Oh, the flowers look very nice. Oh my god, this also look very nice, the flower. And the what? Okay, so this is all the accessories. Need to open it up. This is the base. This is the parasol umbrella. Okay, what is this one? Oh, this one look like an onigiri. Let me set up the umbrella first. Okay, it's quite tough. Okay, so here. Okay, so according to this one, the umbrella is over here. Well, this one is set over here. Ah, yeah. And now that's the base. Oh my god, it's very nice. And the card is look like this. Oh, it's in the sakura petal shape. Looks not bad. Blossom and wagashi. Oh, it's not sushi, it's a wagashi, the one that she's holding. Okay. Very happy to get this Kurumi character. Next, I hope I can get my melody also. Let's see what do I get this time. Oh, I got my melody. Oh no, it's not melody, it's Hello Kitty. I thought it's melody because I saw it's pink color. Okay, inside is nothing. Let's see. Oh, the accessory is the base with a look like a peach. That is so cute. Okay, put it here. Like a candy like that. But not bad, this Hello Kitty. Let's see the card. Hello Kitty. Blossom and wagashi. It's okay. Let's put it here. Next, let's see this one. The Knife Fox. This one have 8 design plus 2 hidden editions. I hope I can get this secret one. Oh, I quite like this purple one and this red color one. The box. Let me see how to open it. This is from second series, if not my second. Oh, it's over here. Let's see who do I get. Actually, this one is quite heavy. Let's see, it's just for this. Oh, I got the green color one. Never mind, but it still looks very pretty. I like with this red colors. Wow. Okay. Let's see what else, the accessories and the card. The card is like this. It's the green color one. And these accessories. Oh, it's so cute. The accessory have a little fox over there. Oh, it's the red color one. It's quite cute. This mini fox. Okay, let me put it here. And this one put it here. Okay, last. This is the little parrot baby music box. It got 8 design. All of it is quite cute. But actually I quite like this one. The fellow called the cat hat. It's quite cute, this one. Hope to get it though. Let's open it up. Let's see, which one do I get? Oh, I got the one that I wanted it. This is the card. I'm ordinary yet unique, Bebe. Quite special. Put it here first. Okay. Wow. This one is quite big. There's a table here. Okay, let me see. If you can on it, ready? See the description box. Oh, the on-off button is behind. Oh, so this is the on-off button. This is the mute the sound. This is to combine with the another doll if you buy another one. This is for the power USB. Okay, let us try. See whether it got the sound or not. Okay, you say that it can change sounds, so let me try. Oh, this one is off button. Oh, this is another one button. Oh, so cute. Okay, this is the off. Okay, thank you. This is end of my